How to change or add phone number on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Discord. Then when your Discord is open and you will go here on your profile, then you click, then you will go to account. Then in account you will find a lot of options like how to change username, email, and you will find also phone. You will click on phone and you will add your phone number or change it. For example, I don't want to add phone number, so that's why I don't want to use my phone number here, and that's why you will just type your number, click next, and they will send you a message to verify, and that's it. It will work with you. That's it guys. I hope these videos have found useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.